Good morning. Everybody knows how to cook an egg, but I'm going to use my potted meat alcohol stove and my little cast iron skillet. I'm going to make me a egg omelet. Crack my egg. Give it a good little whoop here. Pour that into the cast iron skillet. Give it another good little whoop right here. Then I'm going to add me some bacon bits. Add just a little bit of bacon there. Normally I add cheese, but I'm going to try to cut back a little bit. Now I'll take my alcohol stove, and I've got half an ounce. Well, yeah, there you are. Got a half an ounce of alcohol. I like this little homemade stove because it's a no-fuss stove. You pour your fuel in there, you light it, and it's all about go. You ain't gotta wait for it to bloom. Just put a little crushed pepper in here. You ain't waiting for it to bloom, you ain't. It's all about, let's get up and go. A little crushed pepper. A little sea salt. We'll see how long it takes us to cook this egg right here. I like cast iron. Don't seem to stick as bad. Of course, everybody knows how to cook a scrambled egg, but I'm just going to make me an omelet. You see it's already starting to form up. Let's get my toast ready. Half an ounce of alcohol. Pretty good looking omelet right there. You see, it didn't take no time to cook. I like to make sure it's down on both sides because I'm a little allergic to raw eggs, not thoroughly cooked. I like to make sure she's about done. That is. See, I'm still got a good burn going there. So it's just kind of set out right there. Thanks for watching.